Tonight, we're going hot tent camping for the first time ever. This is Two Brother Adventures. My name is Mike. This is
Ethan.
Let's
roll, baby!
Let's go! I did. Yeah, of course you did. Where are we? Oh, watch where you're walking.
What?
Where do you think we are?
All the way. Where's the freaking spot?
Oh, we're all the way up here.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Look at the map and see where we're at. After several hours of driving, we have made it. We got, looks like 3 or 4 inches on the ground. Hopefully our tent stakes go into the ground. Hopefully the ground is not too frozen. So let's go. What are you doing? What is you doing?
I'm trying to snow.
So we have a place to sit, bud. What? Trying to help? All right, one of the biggest hang-ups that we might run into here is if the ground is too frozen to drive stakes. So the moment of truth. All right. And the ground's pretty frozen. All right. All right, well, we'll see what we can do here. Close to the car. Alright, can I see that pole, bud?
What?
Mason, can I see the pole?
Why do you need a pole?
It's for this side.
Daddy, why not wearing those gloves, Daddy?
I don't know. I don't need them right now. Why?
You need gloves for activity.
Yeah.
Why?
We go to the chimney, I'll need them. Can you hand me my hammer, please?
What?
Can you hand me my hammer, please?
Why?
Because I need to put the stake in. Can you hand it to me? Please? It's right behind you. Spin around. Turn around. Right there. Nope, 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 nope. This one over here.
Why not that one?
Because that's the pole that doesn't get banged in the ground. Let's see if I can get this one in. I got you, bub.
Turn the ball down.
That's okay. We'll get it.
Can I go in there?
No, remember what I told you? So, got the tent all set up for the most part. The stakes, they only go into the ground a couple inches because the ground is so frozen. I was afraid that was going to happen, but we did a little trial run in our backyard. It was pretty much the same temperature it is now, and I was actually able to get the stakes in, so I thought I could. So we'll have to see how well they hold up overnight. Need to get the stove still set up, but got a little boy here who wants to go for a hike, so we're gonna go hike around and explore a little bit.
Oh!
What happened, Bob?
I slipped.
You slipped? Slippity? Come on up. What is there, tumbleweeds?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. Let's go walk down here. I think this is the lake over here. I think the lake is down here.
What?
I think. Whoa! Here, why don't you hold my hand, bub?
I can't see. I think I see a lake.
Here, hold my hand.
I think I see a lake.
I think I see a lake too. Do you think it's all frozen over?
Can I step on it?
I don't know. We'll have to see how deep the ice is, or thick the ice is. Check it out.
Can I go in there?
Hold on, bud.
Bye.
Whew.
Can I go on there?
Hold on, buddy. I check it out first, okay?
Bye. Where's the lake at?
This is the lake.
I don't see it.
You're standing on it. It's frozen over, and it's all ice.
I don't know, walk on there.
All right, stay with Daddy, bud.
What's over there? What's over there?
Hmm?
What's the way over there?
I don't know.
That's the road.
It might be a road all the way over there.
Let's go check it out.
No, we can't walk all the way over there. That's way too far.
What's behind there?
I don't know. We're not going too far out here, bud.
I should look around back. I should look around.
I think so.
Alright.
Mason,
What?
how's it feel to be out in the woods?
Good.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. It's been a while since we've been camping.
Why?
We've just been busy, bud.
Yeah. Woo.
You good, bud? You got a breath?
Yeah.
You working hard?
I looked the trail says that we can go that way.
We can go that way.
You want to go that way?
Yeah, let's go.
I follow my lead.
All right, I'll follow your lead. What are you doing, Billy? What? What?
Ah!
What are you doing? Can I roll around too? Hold on, ready? Scare you?
My group. Oh, wow!
You good?
I was up fault.
Oh. Here, why don't you come sit in your chair over here? Here's your water cup, okay? Do you want a little snack? Here's your blanket. Keep it on you, okay? Don't let it touch the ground. All right, now the fun part. Let's get the stove set up.
I've been waiting for this all morning.
You have? And put the stove together and chimney together.
One video.
What do you want to say?
I'll just laying out my sleeping bag.
Were you nice and warm?
Yeah.
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 So what do you think of the hot tent? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Daddy.
Cool. All right. Mason just chilled out for a little bit in the tent. He crawled into a sleeping bag. I think he was getting a little chilly, a little tired. It's been a long day so far. But so far, all is good. Well, it's definitely cold out. Water bottle is starting to freeze up. For dinner, we're making steak and fresh bread. Used a little recipe from the Outdoor Boys. Mixed up some flour, a little bit of salt, sugar, and some yeast. And got the dough here. So always gotta knead that up. Make that when we want to. Hold on, bud. And then start cooking up some steak.
I'm trying to make a video. I want to say
Can you help mix it all up? Remember like you did the other night?
Why?
You gotta mix it all up. Oh yeah, that's looking good.
What?
Let's see.
Why?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put the fire out right away.
Grub.
Why just made that noise?
Oh. All right, time to do some dishes here.
Why? I want to say
All right.
two national brothers, and we're gonna the two national brothers, and we're gonna put the and we're gonna eat eggs, sausage, and bread.
Yeah.
And
Are you going to eat the bread?
what?
Are you going to eat the bread?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Why didn't you eat the bread tonight?
Why? Because I wanted to save enough room for s'mores.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to save enough room for s'mores.
All right, well, my phone died, but we got everything wrapped up. We're winding down. We got the stove going in the hot tent. It's pretty toasty.
Can I see?
We got hot water bottles in our sleeping bags. I think it's going to go down to the low 20s tonight, but we shall be good. All right.
Can I?
See you guys in the morning.
No, can I say something?
Yeah, there.
Why is my hair on there?
Mm-hmm.
Why is my hair on there? No, it's just I'm like, look now I'm silly. Look now I'm silly.
All right. Full day on Sodor. The railway inspector was coming to inspect Sir Topham Hatt's railway.
Romeo was a nighttime villain.
You clean up. Owlette flew toward the elevator.
Say good morning.
I was just by. Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
Good. Good.
Were you cold last night?
Yeah.
You were
No,
cold.
I wasn't.
No, you were not cold.
Why?
Because we had the stove going.
Daddy, why is there water? Why is there... Can we get out, Daddy?
Yeah, give me 1 second. So last night, pretty much a success. I had a little bit of trouble in the beginning getting the damper situated with the stove, but once we got everything good, we were good. It's actually sweating in here for a little while. Around 1:30, I let the fire burn out, and then at like 4:30, woke up and it was like 32 degrees, which isn't too bad. Got the fire going. I let it burn out now. It's about 50 degrees in here. Now we're gonna get dressed and head on out. It's been snowing for most of the night, I think, or at least half the night. So we'll see what we got.
I'm gonna go find my Transformers.
You wanna go find your Transformers?
Yeah.
Hopefully they're not buried in the snow.
Why? Stop snowing. Stop snowing.
Got a couple inches of snow. First up on the to-do list is find Mason's Transformer cars. He left them out here in the stove bank somewhere. Let's see if we can find them.
What?
Oh, did you find one?
Yes.
Oh, good job. That means the other ones are around here somewhere. Let's see. Oh, you found Jason. Where's the other ones at? We gotta keep looking. All right, you keep looking.
No.
Daddy's gonna keep get breakfast going. All right, let's get a fire going.
Can we put on some...
Maybe. Yes, bud.
Daddy!
Well, I burnt one of the loaves, but good thing I got two. Got a little honey butter here. Thanks for coming on our adventure with us. Don't forget to
Like, subscribe.
see ya on the next one.
Yeah.
Hey, did you have a good trip?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming with me. I had fun. All right, ready to go home?